Hey, what's going on, guys? So, of course, when we talked about the nervous system, all these drills that we do have an immediate reaction. That's where we have an assessment, reassessment protocol. Now, there's all kinds of different assessments that you can do, right? So you can assess where your breathing is coming from. You can assess your rotation by bringing your feet together, making sure they stay together. And I oftentimes like to put a little marker on my feet so that way I'm in the same spot every time. Arms straight out, rotate side to side, mark where you're at, do your drill, reassess. Same thing with forward bend. So if you're going to forward bend, you want to make sure your knees are locked and you're just coming down as far as you can go to see where you want to, or to see where you get to initially. Do your drill, reassess, see if you don't go further or not. Same thing with extension, right? So we're here, we just extend as far as we can go, see wherever it locks up, come back, do the drill, and see if it doesn't get better. Now, of course, when we're talking about the speed of the nervous system, change is immediate. You're going to have three different results, right? It's either going to stay the same, you're going to get better, or it's going to get worse. Now, just because it gets worse doesn't mean it's a bad thing. It's all just information, right? It's a good thing you knew that if you did this drill, all of a sudden it broke you a little bit, right? You weren't able to get the same range that you had before. Your gait's off. You're not walking as well as you used to. So that means we know for that particular drill that you did, we probably have to bring that drill down a level. So the different ways that you do that, right, is we decrease the range of motion. Say you're doing some thoracic mobility, glides forward and back. Maybe we don't go quite is over. Maybe we just go a small range of motion. So that way our spine gets used to that movement, and then it'll give you more and more. And then reassess, see if it didn't get better with a smaller movement. Maybe the speed, maybe you went too fast. Slow the drill down, retest, see if it didn't make it a little better, right? So everything that we're doing, right, it's all just getting a baseline for where you are, and if it made you better, worse, or same. If it made you worse, we oftentimes call that a rehab drill, right? It means you should be able to move in all these different range of motions, but we have to rehab to get you back to be able to move in that direction. So I hope that was helpful. If you got any good tips from this video, make sure you have your friends look at it, see what they think of it, and we will see you next time.